too much off balance, and I don't think I have the extra load or anything like that. Look at that, there's not too much clothes in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is broken now. That is crazy. That was freaking loud. So make sure the final spin cycle is off. Door lock is off. Look at this. This is not full. This is not full load. Look at this. There's all this space right here. I would call it like half a load. And these are just towels and underwear and socks and some shirts. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys. So with all the clothes out, look at this. See the spin? I don't hear any banging noises, so I don't know what the hell is going on. I think this is broken. What do you guys think? Is it possessed or is it broken? It's ridiculous. It's gonna cost me probably like $1 grand or $1,500 to replace this stand-up unit right here. This is Frigidaire, not the best. I've had it for about over 11 years.